Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 in the Allure specification. So we took this car in part exchange, having originally sold it from new. It also has a full service history with ourselves. But this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. You get 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.6 Blue HDI engine that gives you 120 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car is free to tax, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.